channel, and today I got an unboxing for y'all. I got the original iPad, 7th generation, 128 gigs at Best Buy. I already took the plastic off because I was sitting here debating on whether I want to do an unboxing or not. And I also got this case for it. I wanted to get the Apple Pencil, but they didn't have any at Best Buy. So they was like, oh, we could order it for you. And I was like, nah, forget it. I get it another time. So I got this case. So this is the Balance Folio designed for impact case. And this is what the back look like. So it's cute. So let me take it out. It was easier to take out when I first got it. Okay, there you go. So this is it. So there's a buckle here that you just undo, and then boom, the iPad goes there. It covers up the camera. So you turn around to the back, there's a magnet there, and boom, that's how you use the camera. Oh, and then the magnet like stays down. So that's the case. Quick unboxing. You can also put the pencil right here. So hopefully I'll be getting a pencil within the next couple of weeks, something like that. So let's dive into the iPad. So this is the iPad. I'm going to unbox it. Oh yeah, they wasn't kidding when they said it was hard to get out. Boom. There it is. So, ooh, damn, I'm slamming it. So this is the iPad. So we're gonna put that to the side. So this is the USB charger to charge the iPad up with. I have a charger already out, used, for my iPhone. So I think I'm just gonna leave this as an extra charger. Plus I got extra iPhone charger laying around my house. So this, with this up, this is the wall port. So this is your basic wall charger. You plug it into the wall to get the charge. I'm not going to use it. Leave it in here. And in here you get your basics. This is not my first time at the Rolio with the Apple products. So you get the user guide right here. Quick start instructions. I had an iPad before, so I don't really need this. I don't really need it. And then, I don't know, warranty stuff. And then the Apple stickers, basic. So that's everything that comes in the box. Hello, I'm back. So I'm gonna get into price and stuff like that at the end of the video, so that way we could talk about the price, because I got a good deal on it. So anyway, I'm gonna take off. This is like the peel off part. This is the most satisfying part of any Apple product, which is the peel part. So this is my iPad. I got it in space gray, aka black. All right, so we're gonna turn it on now. There we go. Hello. All right, so I'm gonna set it up off camera. Matter of fact, let's see. English, I speak English. United States. So it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. Okay, so I'm setting up my Touch ID, which I didn't use. I haven't used Touch ID since I had my 6S. Okay, so it says Touch ID is complete. I'm just setting up a code now. So I had to put in my Apple ID and stuff. So, setting it up. So, yeah. So while that's setting up, I'm gonna talk to you guys about the price. So we went to Best Buy because my mom, she went to go buy a new TV for the house. Because it's that time. Because the TV that we have is a piece of shit, and we got to get rid of it. So I'm putting the case on to the iPad. So, well, I'm putting the case in the iPad. Well, the iPad in the case. There we go. I'm putting the case in the iPad. The iPad, look. I'm putting the iPad, I'm putting the iPad in the case. So, my mom was like, oh, we could go to Apple because there's an Apple in my mall. But I'm like, I could probably get the iPad cheaper in Best Buy because they usually have deals in Best Buys. So I went in there and I was like, oh, I want to get an iPad. And then boom, the iPad was on sale it was starting at $279, and then for the 32 gig, and then $329 for the 128 gig. $359.99 for the 128 gig. So that's a steal because in Apple they'll charge you full price for it. First of all, I thought that this iPad came with came for 64, but he's like, no, it only comes with 32 and 128. And he was like, oh, you could go in there, you could get the 128 gig. And so he was saying, oh, you could download the videos off of Netflix, and you know, that'll use up space. And I'm just like, okay, well, I guess I'll get the 128 gig. So I got the 128 gig for $359.99 instead of almost $400. And then I got the Apple Pay and the case, and everything came up to $428.40, which was like a deal for me. And I just want the iPad. I only need it for streaming videos on, you know, YouTube and Hulu and Netflix and Disney Plus. And he was like, oh yeah, this is perfect for that, and you know, download the occasional game. So yeah, that's pretty much why I got the iPad. I got it all set up now. So this is what it looks like. nice and stirred. That's pretty much it. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe, comment below, video ideas. If you've done all that and you like what you see, make sure you hit that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. Become part of notification squad up so you can be notified when I drop a new video. All right, I'm done. So thanks so much for watching, and now see y'all later. Bye.